In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Minecraft launcher is not opening. As you can see here, my Minecraft launcher is opening. It is now launching. And as you can see, it's fine. There are a few ways you can fix this. The first of which is to uninstall Minecraft and cleanly install it again. Very straightforward. Another way you can do this is by going to click on Start and then click on Settings. And in Settings, click on Apps here on the main menu on the left. And then click Installed Apps. And then just search for Minecraft, right? As you can see, I don't have Minecraft because I have CurseForge. So if CurseForge appears like this, just like anything, click on the three dots. And if there's any issues, it's gonna show you a repair option here, right? On the other hand, we could go to CurseForge. Let's open CurseForge. Let's okay, let's let CurseForge load up. And as you can see here, these are the games that I've been playing. These are mod packs that I've downloaded and I have been playing. So what you want to do is just click, and for example, this one, Better Minecraft, right? Let's let it load. Click on the three dots here, and there is a repair profile here. So if there's any issues, just click on repair profile. It's gonna, as you can see, there's no issues. But if there is some issues, it's gonna repair and gonna download and update some stuff that's not updated. So another thing I think you can do is go to settings, right? Okay, it's not here. But anyway, yeah. So those are the few ways you can do this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next one.